Hello everybody! Can you say hello, Miss Rani? Your turn. Hello, Miss Rani. Well done. My name is Miss Rani and I'm super excited to do some phonics with you. Here is my favourite friend, and this is Snowy, and he likes to help me whenever we do phonics and reading. Can you say hello, Snowy? Oh, look, he's giving you a little wave there. So Snowy's sitting next to his special box. Inside this box is some special things. Do you want to find out what's inside the box? Yes. Well, we have to sing a song. So you need to learn my song. Join in when you're ready, but let me sing it the first time for you. Ready? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. So that's our song, and when we sing our song, the box starts to shake, it starts to get ready so that we can open it. Are you ready to sing with me and find out what's inside the box? Ready? 1, 2, 3. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, that lid's moving around. It wants to open. Oh, there we go. That box is opened. Oh, what have we got? What is this? It's something that we eat with. It's a spoon. Can you say it like me? So I'm going to have my turn and then it's going to be your turn. My turn. Spoon. Your turn. Spoon. One more time. Spoon. Your turn. Spoon. Oh, amazing. So we use our spoon to eat. Let's give our spoon to Snowy to look after. So we'll pop the spoon here. Shall we see what else is in Snowy's box? Are you ready? We've got to sing our song though. You're going to join in with me? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it likes it when we sing the song. And there's lots of things inside this box. Are you ready to find out what's next? Oh, what is this? What is this? It's a sock. But there's only one. And usually we have 2. I wonder where the other one is. We can look for that later. We put 2 socks on our feet to keep our feet nice and warm, but we've got 1 today. So my turn. Sock. I'm going to do that again. My turn again. Sock. Your turn. Sock. Can you do it again after me? My turn. Sock. Your turn. Sock. Excellent. So we have got a spoon, sock. Let's give Snowy a sock and a spoon to look after. And let's see what else is inside our box. Ready? You gonna help me sing our song? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, this box gets very excited when we sing our song. Oh, it's open straight up. Let's have a look. Oh, do you know what this is? not everyone uses them anymore because lots of people have dishwashers. This is a sponge. Sponge. We use this to wash dishes. My turn. Sponge. My turn again. Sponge. Your turn. My turn again. Sponge. Your turn. Well done, everyone. So we have got a sponge. We've got a sock. And we have a spoon. Let's give all these things to Snowy to look after. So he's got the spoon, he's got the sock, and he's got the sponge. Wonder what else is inside the box. Should we find out? Are you ready to sing with me? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, the box is getting a bit shaky. And it opens straight away then. Oh, what are these? What are these? Hold them just like that for the moment. Scissors, that's right. And we only use scissors with adults. We don't use them by ourselves. And if we ever hold scissors, we have to hold them like that when they're nice and closed. Let me show you that. That's closed. And we wrap our hands round and keep them close by us. That's to keep them safe, okay? But we only use them with adults. Well done. Ready? My turn. I'm going to hold them like this just to show you. Scissors. My turn again. Scissors. Your turn. My turn again. Scissors. Your turn. Well done, everybody. So we've got some scissors. We've got a sponge. We've got a spoon. And we've got a sock. Give them all to Snowy to keep nice and safe. Lay those scissors down flat because we don't want anything to happen to them. I wonder if there's anything left inside the box. Should we find out? Ready? Sing with me. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, this is a bit strange. Are you ready? I think these are the same. Oh, see, the box is closed. Anybody know what these are? We have to use these all the time to make sure our hands are nice and clean. So we've got soap. This is a bar of soap and this is liquid soap. We use this all the time. So every time we go to the toilet, we have to wash our hands with soap, don't we? Before we eat our food, we have to wash our hands with soap to make sure they're clean. If we've been playing outside, we have to wash our hands with soap and always dry them carefully. So we've got soap. Are you ready to practice with me? My turn. Soap. My turn again. Soap. Your turn. My turn again. Soap. Your turn. Soap. So, in our box today, we have had soap. We have had a sponge. We've had spoon, scissors, and a sock. What sound do you think we were listening for today? Shall we ask Snowy and see if Snowy knows? Snowy, do you know our sound for today? Oh, he does. Can you whisper it to me? Oh, okay. He's right. He said it's. And when we say this sound, we have to put our teeth together to make the sound. So that has been our sound for today. Come and join me again for another sound another day. We don't want to learn too many sounds in one day, but you have been fantastic. Well done, everyone. Can you say bye-bye, Miss Rani? Your turn. Bye-bye, Miss Rani. Bye-bye, everyone.